Good morning, everyone. So today we will learn about the PQR and WPS. This is only general information. If we want to more detail, we need to go back to our code and standard according to the project requirement. Definition: PQR, Procedure Qualification Record. A PQR is formal record that documents the actual welding parameter and the condition used to produce a welder. To include results from destructive tests like tensile or bending tests to verify that well meet requirement mechanical properties. The PQR is used to validate that welding procedure is capable to produce acceptance weld. WPS, Welding Procedure Specification. A WPS is document that procedure detail instruction for the welder and how to perform weld. Is the based on the qualification PQR and include the rank for the welding variable like voltage, ampere, travel speed, filler meter, and others. The WPS ensure consistency and quality in the procedure welding. This is essential in industrial like construction, shipbuilding, aerospace to ensure the safety compliance with the standard like ASME Section 9 or AWPS B2.1. Flowchart. From the beginning WPS, PWPS to WPS issues. Primary WPS or PWPS, weld test coupon per PWPS, mechanical test, tensile, bending test, impact test if required. If pass PQR, procedure qualification record, WPS issued. Qualified rank defined. Flowchart from PQR to WPS. Primary WPS, PWPS, welding test coupon per PWPS, mechanical test, tensile test, ASME 9, QW150, API 1104, Clausule 6.3, acceptance, specific tensile strength, bend test, ASME 9, QW160, API 1104, Clausule 6.4, acceptance, no open defect more than 3 mm. Impact test if required, ASME 9 QA170, acceptance, qualified absorber energy. If pass, PQR, procedure qualification record, dan WPS issued. Qualified strength defined. Mechanical test is very important. Tensile test specification ASME 9 QW150, API 1104, Clausule 6.3. Purpose: measure the tensile strength a weld joint under axial load. Unit of measure: stress megapascal MPa or pound per square per inch. Elongation percent if strain before structure. Temperature degree Celsius. Acceptance criteria: the minimum tensile strength must be met except the base metal specification value. Example, ASTM A36 steel require minimum 400 MPa tensile strength. Fractures must occur outside the weld or heat affected zone to be acceptance. If fracture open within the weld, the strength must be at least equal to the greater than the base metal. Defect dimensional criteria: no open defect more than 3 mm. The sketch on the right side is, you can see the test piece and the breaking area, the ductile fracture and natural fracture. Impact test. The purpose determines well ability to absorb energy or low temperature, assessing brittle or ductile. Unit of measurement, energy joule pound feet, temperature degree Celsius, testing method CRP V0, fracture pattern, brittle fracture, sudden failure with the little deformation, sharp and crack break, common in low temperature or high carbon, low energy absorb few joule, ductile fracture, noticeable knuckling and deformation, rough surface with the fibrous texture, indicate good toughness and energy dissipation, high energy absorption, mean material can withstand short load. Bending test, ASME 9QW160, API 1104, Clauso 6.4. Bending test evaluate the ductile and soundness of the well by the soundness specimen to specified angle. It helps detect lack of diffusion, crack, slack indication, and internal discontinuity that may affect the well integrity. Test procedure. A right angle test specimen is bent using a guide bend jig. Well metal and heat affected zone are placed in the tensile side. The specimen is bent and the specific angle actual usually 180 degree for the face and root bend. Test type, acceptance criteria ASME 9QW160, API 1104, 6.4. Bend test, no open defect surface more than 3 mm on the convex. Root bend test, no open defect more than 3 mm on the root area. Side bend test, no open defect more than 3 mm on the cross thickness. Angle defect, defect at the specimen angle are acceptable up to the 6 mm at least they indicated poor fusion. Summary of integrity. The PQR variable test essential variable through physical testing. The WPS apply who is qualification rank to the procedure wording while define non-essential variable. Any change in essential or supplementary variable require re-qualification of PQR. Key section in combined document. General information, procedure number, application code, ASME 9 API 1104, AWS D1.1, joint design, preparation. B. Base metal qualification PQR to WPS, parameter PQR test data, WPS application limit, base metal pin number and group number, allowed material in production, thickness, test rank, qualification thickness range, position, test position, permitted welding position. Welding process variable. Variable type PQR, qualified parameter, WPS production limit, process SMAW, GTAW, GMAW, same as test. Electrode, filler meter, F number, A number as per PQR. Current and polarity. AC and DC within qualification rank, voltage and ampere, test value, define application limit, travel speed, test rank, minimum and maximum allowance. Additional welding condition. Parameter PQR WPS specification, preheat temperature, record preheat, required preheat limit, PWHT post well heat treatment, tested process, application process limit. On the last one, on the left hand side from the screen, you can see this is PQR form and the right hand side is WPS form. This is standard format you can find anywhere in the online. Thank you very much.